All right, what's up, ladies and... Am I even here? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today's our first Busta-Bust that we're doing without Chad, R.I.P. Just kidding, he's not really dead. He's just at work at USPS. So I'll be wearing this hat so that he's kind of here. And I always hear like this in the corner. Today's a very special unboxing, like every other unboxing that we have is always special. Today we're unboxing the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. It's our third camera that we'll have, if you don't count the iPhones. Throwback to those days. It's really small. Let me unbox this thing real quick. Unboxing, call me Lou. You already know, unbox therapy. Shout out. Oh shit. So this camera has been on back order for like what? A year? And I've been trying to get it for the fattest minute. The main reason I wanted this camera was to have like a nice cinematic camera that would essentially be a cinema camera. I know I have my GH5, but the GH5 honestly is not my favorite. A lot of people love it, but for low light capabilities, it's utterly garbage. I have the Sigma 18-35 with a speed booster on it, and I still have to shoot at like 64,000 ISO just to get it to be underexposed by 1. I was like, what the fuck? I'm doing everything perfectly good. Whatever, regardless. The GH5, I just don't like its colors either. The color science in the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera is a lot better. Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, that's a lot I gotta say. They really suck at making names. I have the A7 III, but I just felt like the bitrate for the A7 III wasn't enough to be able to color grade a lot. I know full frame lenses are just really expensive, so I didn't want to buy into the full frame series just yet. And I wanted this camera because I'm shooting my new movie that's coming up soon, and I needed something that's kind of more reliable with color and bitrate than the GH5. And I was just like, the GH5 has great bitrate for 4K, but in my opinion, not so great color. And the Sony has pretty decent color and nice like 4K, but not enough bitrate. So this is kind of like the best of both worlds, and the Sony has better low light than everything. So it's like low light and bitrate kind of in the middle, meet halfway. That's what this camera is kind of like. So without further ado, let me just jump into this unboxing. By the way, I went on to B&H to order this, and it says it was out of stock for like ever. So I hit notify, so I subscribed to their letter thing that where they email you if they have it in stock, and they never emailed me. So I thought that was kind of bullshit. I just happened to be on the website, so I just found out that it was in stock right there. I thought it was a glitch, so I just refreshed it like 4 or 5 times, but it wasn't a glitch. And I was like, B&H never sent me an email. Fuck y'all. So just a heads up for you guys that are subscribing to the email and aren't getting anything, maybe just keep checking on the website, because they be faking it sometimes. All right. Where's the feng shui? Insert Chad's dumb yeah. There we go. Oh, by the way, B&H charges tax now. I'm so happy about tax. Thank God. Yeah, here's the Pocket Cinema Camera. Finally. About time we got one of these. Everyone loves it. We got a lot of accessories for this too, and I'll show that in the later part of this video, but I'm really excited. Super, super excited. It shoots ProRes and RAW, and it has a 12-bit color depth, so it's like, what's up, GH5? And then just slaps him in the face with this big magic, you know? And the Blackmagic comes with the full version of DaVinci Resolve. So if you guys didn't know, DaVinci Resolve is made by the same people that made this camera. So it's like a better ecosystem between the camera and the software. So I think that's really cool. Let's open this. 4 gigs. Yee! I would read this, but we don't really read out here. Fancy. Oh, you got your international ports. So if you guys are going out of town, you know, Moosey International, baby. That's how we rock out her. You got these dumb little Canon LP batteries. Regardless, I got like 5 of these that I just bought. Super cheap. You got this charger, which is like a weird Blackmagic Weepo 2-pin Weepo charger. Whack. Damn, the camera's not even properly in there. Busta-Bust. Damn. That ruined the whole unboxing experience. There's a lot of dust on here. I'm kind of pissed. Throw that hole over there. Let's see if the battery's charged, or else I'll get extra Busta-Bust points. So this lens right here was one of my first lenses I got, which was the 42.5 Panasonic Lumix series lens, just a basic 85mm peel this off for you. Oh, yeah. Oh, this thing's got fans. I feel that fan on the bottom of it. Alright, so the autofocus is pretty much trash. So on this one, you got HDMI port. I like it how they have everything kind of labeled. It's super nice. You got your... Damn, this is really fucking annoying. You got your headphone jack. You got your audio jack. You got your 12-volt USB. And the coolest thing about this camera, in my opinion, is that you have a USB-C where you can write all the information and all the footage to a SSD drive. I probably don't have one, but essentially you can just write it to this. You just add it off of this. No transferring to your SD card, to your computer and stuff like that. So yeah, it's super nice, super cool. This is what I plan on shooting my movie with. The Sigma 18-35. So this is essentially my cinema handheld rig thing, which I can kind of convert it to a shoulder mount. That's a whole brand new video for itself. But regardless, for now, fucked up. We're gonna be looking at this rig. So I got this rig from Small Rig, like some Japanese company that just makes aluminum, overpriced aluminum metal thingies. So I got this little SD card holder thing right here. We got a nice NATO rail here, and then got the rig itself. Let's put this in here. So yeah, this is the rig where you can kind of just attach everything to. I got cord holder thingies, so you put the cords in there and then you tighten this so it doesn't get loosened. It's essentially the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Yeah, so I'll do a review on this after I finish shooting my movie, so that way I get a good use out of it and I could put it through its paces. We have the Sony a7 III review out now. If you want to check that out over right there. We got a lot of things planned for Busta-Bust or not. I know we have a Ronin S review coming eventually. A GH5 review coming eventually. A Ronin S? Have we done the S?
What?
Chad's not here. Sony Glass. The Pocket Cinema Camera. I got some cool other things, C-stands. I got a brand new mic, a new preamp, and man, we got a lot. So a lot of things, we just have to get some time to do it all. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your guys' opinions are on the Blackmagic. If you guys have any tips or whatnot on how to use this, I'd surely appreciate that. Other than that, thank you so much. Check out our other videos and have a good one.